every time when me and woman them have nothing, I always offer me defending you. Literally, them go fuck on you. I'ma tell you. Remember say when Maryland made the last time I find out one, I'ma tell you. And you say, and when you find out, what you do? You leave. I tell you about the next one. I say, share fuck by you. I know about 3 man share fuck. And when you find out for yourself, what you do? You leave. So, me make you and all your woman them left when I them fuck by you. Just like how Camille fuck by you now. I know. My friend them dip on the live when know me for years. When know say me hold the fort for you. And you don't do nothing for nobody. You don't do nothing for none of we. Nothing you don't do for nobody.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at Beenie Man's daughter Desha make him wife tell him to block her because she exposed that Camille cheated on him. She also revealed that Camille, which is Beenie Man's wife or fiance, left her one child at England that has special needs and that she's not family oriented. Also, Trinidad fans are upset with Beenie Man for dissing their food. So if this is your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Turn on your post notification bell so you are the first one to get notified. Leave a like on the video, leave a comment and share. The other day, I see one calendar. I don't know if me and Danger are question them put out and them say scatter take January. It's official. Beenie Man, we have to put your head of February. Because between you and Cartel, I don't know which one I know. Camp, I try to bring you down the fastest. First, at least I switch panickers. I know your daughter. I can't expose you. And it say all of your woman them cheat on you, and when she tell you cast her out, and now you quarrel over house and money, it don't look good. This is not what dancehall fans like to see. It is a disgrace, and no need to fix up both sides. It don't look good. This is not what defines kingship, and I'm so disappointed. It don't look good, man. But obviously, they have some issues where both sides need to take it off of social media because remember, saying Jamaica alone I watch, right? Internationally, everybody I look, and this is a disgrace, man. But there is some trauma that Desha is going through, and she broke down on the live, and she need to work it out with her father. She shouldn't have come on the live, but everybody deal with them problem differently, you know. But this is what she had to say. This is why she had posted the she made a comment on that picture, and she's gonna explain as to what caused her frustration. Check this out.
I'm gonna come out, I'm gonna try to clear the ear, I'm gonna try to come say nothing at all. You see me? But at the end of the day, when a situation reached too far, it just reached too far. You see me? So, as you know, my father, yeah, Beenie Man, Moses, yeah, Jaja. It's so heartbreaking that it ever come to this, but obviously, me and him, we're not gonna have no good ties because I feel like over the years, I go through so much and I endure so much and I stay quiet and everybody feel like say, oh, him a this good father and him always take care of him, mute them and this and that. I not look no money from him. I not look nothing from him. You see me? Everybody will know me know that. Say me take care of myself and pay my own bills them. 100,000 pay for my rent. You see me? Never yet go for no handout or asking for nothing. You get me? I'm just know some good people in my corner, mommy, like I call in, you know, Auntie Keisha, like, I'm just always there for me, my sister them, my brother them, always there for me. Because when you know him lying, he will come and talk about bag of things. I really, you, when me go through so much with you, I really, me, yeah, do this again. Like, I can't believe, like, it didn't even make sense, bro. You see me? It don't make no sense. My friend them dip on the live when know me for years. When know say me hold the fort for you. I ain't do nothing for nobody. You do nothing for none of we. Nothing you do for nobody. The only people them can tell their tongues are your woman them. That's it. I'm not talking about your baby man of them. No, I'm talking about the Jezebel them. Where you pick up them. The one them where you locked in with. You see me? Yeah, them. The Jezebel them. The one them who don't want nothing for your kids them. All your friend them. Like, you have a thing for people X or something. I don't know. I'm tired, man. Yeah, for come down now. You need to fight for be a better man. You need to fight for be a better man. That you need to fight. You put to the media for say, I'm not like none of your woman them. I always like them. Always show them love. That's why, so I like so most of the time when I'm there on you like a friend or somebody close to me, always there. We can say yo, true. Every time when me and woman them have nothing, I always offer me defending you. Literally, them go fuck on you. I'ma tell you. Remember say when Maryland made the last time I find out oh and I'ma tell you. And you say and when you find out, what you do? You leave. I tell you about the next one. I say she fuck by you. I know about 3 men she fuck. And when you find out for yourself, what you do? You leave. So me make you all your woman them left when I them fuck by you. Everybody when them come round, them like you and then them say yo, This even worth it. So you ever say something about me? First of all, you know what shocked me out of everything? The woman tell us if I block me, you block me off your Instagram. So I make one comment. Exactly. Mega know things, so I tell you things, and when I tell you things, you disbelieve me. Just like how Camille fuck me, you know. I know. Me know. And we know our plans them too. But me not tell you, because you know. In a style, in a sense, I can tell me say I try mash up your relationship. That's why I'm tell you say is a girl clone. And we will never stop say that. You will never stop be a girl clone. You will always be a girl clone. You will always be a girl clone. Like I never see this yet. You know, say the person where you're there with is not a good fit. Is not. She not family oriented, none at all. She don't have nothing to do with her family. Everything she want for herself. You know, see that? You know, see that? You know, she mash up your life. But you know, I don't understand you. Over the years, you know, with a little picky head boy, you come a black. And you make woman give me order. Oh, you feel make your woman give me order. As my father. Well, alright, you know what burn me? You know what burn me? When you say out of your mouth, say, remember say, Mosiah was your office manager, you know. Remember say, Mosiah was your office manager, I work for you, so him know in details. When you say to me, say, are you teach your woman know for be a road manager. You know how that bun me? And must I work it your office manager? Your own a son, you put you teach your woman something where your son already know. Your son already know for do the job and him name Davis. You teach her how to be a road manager. Like you literally teach her. You bring her up on the road and teach her the ropes. You did that. But you never take up Crystal, Mosiah, Ikira. Nobody you never take up. As I tell her, me, you notice what me go do? Me go dance and pave the way for myself. I did that without you. Cause remember you alrighted. You come to first and say, Daddy, you know how that would look good for your father and daughter do. And no, you say, ignore that. No, you lie. Tell me, say, I must bring some other dancer, something like that. I must say, alright, do you think? I'm a go road, bring them some talent and say, forward. You see me? But yeah, that means like, I don't understand this. This girl don't even meds fear you them. So how she got meds your youth them. Remember so she have picked in England, you know, where she not look on, you know. So how she got meds your youth them. She have picked where needs special, she have picked where have special needs. And she left him for come here so for do say one agenda. She have. But that's not my business.
Now, people, I know that was an earful. It was a lot more. She said a lot more. And she was talking about the house and the restaurant. And, oh, we'll have to go over pink walls to hear about it because it is very long. Another day after probably I'll 30 minutes a listen. But I hope they can figure it out and fix the situation off the air. So, Beenie Man, I'm still not trouble, you know, because he went on Drink Champs the other day when he did the America. He did an interview and they asked him about a dish called doubles where they are Trinidad. I think it's their national dish. And him say him not like it because when him try to eat the dog don't name himself. In dog don't name him, not name me. Who tell him this is so? The whole of Trinidad and name him up. Check this out.
Jamaican dancehall artist Beenie Man said that though doubles is nice, he doesn't eat it because stray dogs don't eat it. During a podcast, Beenie Man was asked which Caribbean island was the best apart from Jamaica. Beenie Man answered, I love Trinidad. With the mention of Trinidad, Beenie Man was asked if he eats the popular street food, doubles. Beenie Man answered, I love Trinidad but I don't eat doubles because dogs don't eat doubles. And I don't eat anything that dogs don't eat. He mentioned that he tried doubles 2 or 3 times, but he threw the doubles for a dog, and the dog didn't eat it. He said dogs eat chicken, dogs eat fish, dogs eat dumpling, but the dog didn't eat doubles. I ain't gonna lie, Beenie Man is a disrespectful kind of fella. But since he gave you 2 cents on our culture, I will give my 2 cents on yours. Right, Beenie Man? Just because you name a song King of Dancehall, that doesn't mean you're the King of Dancehall. Right? We all know the King of Dancehall is a DJ Palmer Vibes Cartel. And for some reason, since Cartel come out of prison, you just crashing out. And it ain't looking good. And I don't know what Beenie Man talk about because my dog does eat doubles very good. Once it didn't have too much pepper. And Beenie Man, since you want to equate yourself to a dog, even though I don't like it, my dog does drink toilet water. You just do the same? Since a dog had the highest level of understanding. I want you to answer that for me. Or you gonna let me know what you all think about Beenie Man's disrespectful comments. And because Beenie Man's so confused on who the real King of Dancehall is, all you gonna let him know, is it Vybz Kartel, Sean Paul, or the dog whisperer Beenie Man? All you gonna let me know in the comments.
Somebody said Beenie Man salty fuck. No. Beenie Man, where they say Mr. Vegas post up and say, what make you love when them beat you so? Cause video after video after clip after clip. Boy, may I tell you. Anyways, Jamaica always I keep it up. Well, if you want to think about this in the comment section. But that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. If you've reached this far, thank you for watching. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.